if you think about how Cummins started with our founder, Klesse, he was a master engineer and really invented that diesel engine market. And he also was not afraid to put his products in the public eye. He would put them out there, put them on full display, and let the product speak for itself. And that's exactly what we're here tonight to do with our new X12. We're here in front of a bunch of enthusiasts. You can see them and hear them around, and you'll see them tonight when we're on the sled. And we're here to see what happens. We're proud of this engine, and we think it'll have a pretty good showing for itself. We're here tonight in a rematch with my friend Kenny Myers at the truck pole, once again to put our new engine on display and see how it does. Kenny, we did this, it's been about a month ago, I guess, at Rushville.
Yes.
And had a pretty good showing.
Look at that. Off and rolling. No.
I was talking to you about our 12-liter, and you made the comments to me that it has to be just as good, meet your old trusty N14, but has to do it as reliably with better fuel economy.
Right. That's the thing down at Rushville. You know, you guys did really well. I was really surprised on how well it did work, and it hasn't broke down, which is good. And then, you know, so if we keep good fuel economy with it, you know, and the dependability is good, you know, I'm sure it'd be an engine that we'd use in our company.
Well, we're here tonight for a rematch because I think you got us in your truck by, what is 5-10 feet, I think it was.
Yeah, something like that. But,
but with my first time trying it, I like to think I learned a thing or two about my driving technique, so we'll see what happens tonight, but we're looking forward to it. We've got a 12-liter here, but it really acts like a bigger displacement engine. It'll match the torque and the horsepower of the larger engines in a lot smaller, more compact, lightweight package,
right.
And it does it at a lot better fuel mileage, so just exactly what guys in your profession we hope are going to be looking for.
Right.
So yeah, looking forward to seeing you out on the track.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to beating you again.
We'll see. Well, Kenny, it's been a heck of a night. What'd you think?
It seemed like you did a real good job. You know, you beat me, so that's impresses me. So.
Well, good. You know, when we were at Rushville the first time, I might have learned a thing or two about how to drive and how to launch and how to come off the sled, and I think it paid pretty good dividends tonight.
Right.
But you had a pretty strong showing too. But hopefully this demonstrates that, you know, with the technology that we've got in that little 12-liter, it will run and deliver with engines of much larger displacement. So,
Right.
good show, man.
Okay, thank you.